In this video, I'll guide you through how to play Clash of Clans on PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To play Clash of Clans on PC, first download the emulator. To download the emulator, you need to open the browser and search for BlueStacks and open the first website. Now click on download BlueStacks, then BlueStacks will download on your computer. Once the download process is complete, then you need to install it on your computer. After opening BlueStacks on your computer, you need to click on Play Store. To download any app from Google Play Store, first you need to sign in with your Google account. Then click on the search icon and search for Clash of Clans. Once you find it, click on Install button. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to download and install Clash of Clans on your PC. Once the installation process is complete, then click on Play button. Now you need to agree the terms and conditions. By following this easy tutorial, you can play Clash of Clans on your computer.